So when it comes to twist outs, those are my go-to styles. Anytime I do my hair, whether it's wet, dry, I love my mini twists, and I put those in about 4 times a year. So after washing my hair, what I did was I put my hair into large flat twists. So it was about 8 flat twists. So with 4 sections, 2 flat twists in each section. So 8 flat twists that I had. So I'm just gonna take this down. I have a rubber with a bantu knot at the end that was rubber banded a bit. And so I'm just gonna, and my hair was wet, I put in my Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Restorative Leave-In Conditioner. I don't know why this needs to be a new fave, a new staple, because I put this on my hair yesterday after washing it and I was able to detangle my hair. I did the flat twist my hair and slept in a plastic cap. My hair is still wet. I didn't want my hair to dry out, but it's also soft. Okay, let me just take those down. Clip this out the way. Let me show you. Now, the only thing I have in my hair is the leave-in, right? My hair is damp. That is from the leave-in. I didn't do anything else. And of course, I detangled before the flat twist yesterday. But I love that stuff. Hands on, definitely. And so what I'm using to twist my hair is Embrace the Natural You Whipped Cream Hair and Body Icing. Let's see if you can see that. I have a few of these products and I wanted to twist my hair up with butter to see if that would help me maintain moisture. It's of a thick consistency. And the main ingredients, or the first couple of ingredients, is mango butter, aloe vera juice, extra virgin organic coconut oil, vegetable emulsifying wax, glycerin, pumpkin seed oil, argan oil, vitamin E, and a preservative. So that's everything that's in this product. But mango butter, aloe vera juice, my hair loves aloe vera juice. So I take a lot. I'm heavy-handed with product. And just spread that. Look at how it emulsifies so well. And I just rub that on my hair. Come through with my detangling brush. Make sure everything is detangled. Get out all the kinks. And then I come in with my extra virgin olive oil that I have it in Roots Only bottle. So this is extra virgin olive oil with a couple of drops of peppermint oil. And I use that. So with the leave-in from yesterday and the mango butter today and the oil, I'm doing the LCO method. I take a little bit more of the shea butter just to put on my ends. Because I want to make sure my ends, which are always dry, are moisturized. I use my fingers to part, nothing fancy, and I'm doing medium to large sections. I use a clip to clip that out the way. And I come through with my Denman detangling comb. Forgive the hair that's in it. Once again, to make sure my hair is detangled. And I proceed to twist. I just split the hair in two. And I try to get them as evenly as possible, especially at the ends. So that it can be a consistent twist all the way down. And I just twist right over left. Keeping my hair nice and taut. And this is in real time, how I twist my hair. And I twist all the way down to the bottom. And then I twirl it around my fingers to kind of close that up. Take the next section, just pretty big. I do the same thing, clip the excess out of the way, come through with my comb, make sure my hair is fully detangled. Try to get the hair split into 2 even pieces. It's not exactly even, but it seems like this is as good as it's going to get. And when I do say even, I want it even in thickness as well as in length. And then I proceed to twist. And as I'm twisting, I'm smoothing my hands down the length of my hair to make sure that my hair doesn't kink or coil back up on itself, because my hair is known to do that. Sometimes if I need to, I'll come through with a detangling comb just to make sure everything is still detangled. Grab a little extra butter and continue twisting. I try not to make the twist small around my edges because I don't want to have too much tension on them. And I'm very gentle. And because my edges are a little thinner than the rest of my hair, I try to get as much hair to go in the front half, so to go towards my edges piece that I'm twisting. And you see me pulling it down just to make sure it's even in thickness and in length, and that's about even. And I proceed to twist. And for me, I can feel like one strand of the two is thicker than the other, but it's not too much thicker. And so it shouldn't be a problem while I'm twisting my hair up. Feeling my ends feel smooth, so I don't need to re-detangle nor add any more butter. Twirl it around my fingers and let it go. So that's that. So I've been twisting my hair. I think it's going on 2 hours, so it's taking me about 2 hours to twist. Let me show you what the back looks like. And it might be a little larger in size. And that's it. I'm not doing anything else, anything extra to my hair. So I'm going to finish this top piece and I'll come back to show you what it looks like. So this is the finished look for now. I'm planning on keeping these twists in for a couple of days. I just want to make sure that my hair is dry before I fully start to take them down and separate the twists. So, but this is what it's looking like. Medium to large size twist. Well, I should say small and medium. This is it. I did a side part so that I can have, I love my side parts, so I want this side of my hair, which is the right side, to fall over to my face. I could have did a deeper one. Not ready for all that yet, but if I need to, I can always flip this over once I take them down. But yeah, so this is it. This is the finished results for my twists. It took me about 2 hours to put them in. Regular speed and, you know, messing around with other stuff, listening to music, doing what I do when I do my hair. So thanks for watching.